Hey guys, once again, I'm on lunch from everything, and first off, I want to apologize. I didn't get a chance to do last night's DIY show, so I'm going to do something special tonight. 7 o'clock tonight, Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to do a DIY. I've been wanting to do it, and, I thought, why not go ahead and just do one anyway. I am sweating up a storm tonight. It is hot as balls here in West Virginia. I can only imagine how it is. Thing here, it gets very humid. So when the humidity is high, it feels a lot hotter. It's probably not even as hot as I think it is, but I'm sweating up a storm. But I just wanted to let you guys know I will be doing a DIY show tonight at 7 p.m. Yes, 7 p.m. And then we'll know, I'm going to talk to Jen as to what's going on tomorrow, if we're going to do a live show or not. We might do it tomorrow, we might do it Sunday. You never know. But that is it, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know there will be a show tonight. So be prepared. I know a lot of you won't be able to appear because, you might have work late or things like that. And I totally understand. Just, I'm going to have to change up the times I do a lot of the shows. Hopefully, once we get to next week, it'll be either Monday or Tuesday. Probably Monday, but I'm not definite. And it'll probably be back to 10 o'clock. So, I will see you guys later tonight.